Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting the essentials and starting the request immediately. You need the scanned Class 12 mark sheet, school letter, and transfer certificate. These prove the correct marks. Once done, make sure your student ID, admission number, and a clear photo are ready because the portal will ask. Also check the deadline and fee so you don't miss windows. This step speeds validation. You're not waiting for verification until everything is in hand. You now proceed to the portal and submit the formal update. Log in, choose Marks Update, and upload each scanned document in the required format. This is the central action. Fill every form field accurately, previous school, board, subject-wise corrected marks, because mismatches cause rejection. Once filled, pay the fee online and save the transaction ID and receipt. Doing this correctly reduces back and forth. If something seems unclear, you finish by actively tracking the approval and completing final steps. Check the portal and your email daily. When approved, download the updated marks immediately and verify every subject entry. If rejected, read the reason and resubmit only the required correction instead of repeating everything. If there's no response within 10 working days, contact the admissions office with your transaction ID and documents to escalate. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, switch to a different browser, compress files under size limits, and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.